who is in the US and has just received the parcel of the books they ordered. So the main books are the volume 1 and the volume 2. And thankfully, the order is been delivered to Texas, here in Texas. So I'm here to show you that when you order, we deliver unto you. And so this is just a live broadcast to let you know that when we say it, we do it. So let's all unbox it and see what we have inside. And if you don't have your copy yet, just go to bookofwisdom.com, bookofwisdom.com, and also receive your copy and continue to explore the depths of knowledge that is even hidden from the masses. All right, so let's see what we have in there as we unbox this awesome parcel from Harry B. Joseph. Hey, here we are. We got it live. Wow. So this is volume 2. Oh, such a huge book. Oh. Fulfillment is being fulfilled. Wow. For revival of Muslim. Thank you, Harry. Thank you for everything. So I ordered for the book 1 and book 2, the Book of Wisdom paperback. I'm tired of the PDF, so I needed a paperback, and here we are. It's been delivered to me right here in Texas, Alvaro. So you have to grab your copy. And thank you, Harry, for giving me the opportunity to do a live broadcast for my other colleagues and my friends to also get their copies of the book. So the easy link to link up with the link to get your book being delivered to you is bookofwisdom.com. Yeah, there are easy links to find copies of book 1 and book 2, volume 1 and volume 2. Wow, I love it. It's incredible. The packaging is just awesome and everything. It took me, Harry, 2 weeks to get the books. Yeah, 2 weeks. It took me 2 weeks. I don't know, but perhaps there was a bit of delay, but it's supposed to be within 12 days or so. But it's okay, because we had some holidays as well during Easter celebration, so it's understandable to have it after 2 weeks of order. Yes, so here we have it. Yes, Book of Wisdom, volume 1 and 2, from Harry B. Joseph. I love this book. I've been reading the PDF, but I needed to have this paperback version, and here we have it. Wow, so nice. Packaging is incredible. So I'm going to be reading this book, and it's a good feeling to have it, feeling it right here in my palms, and seeing the incredible work done by Harry B. Joseph. Harry, you are a gem and you are a game changer, and what you have done for the world is lasting forever with us, and it's going to be a game changer for all generations, for them to know the true God in them, and for them to connect to their inner power and inner self, and be above and succeed in life. All right, so this is an incredible book. Wow, packaging is just awesome. It's a huge book. If you look at the PDF, you don't feel it as much as you have the paperback now in your palm. So this is a special broadcast granted by Harry for me to let the followers know that when you order, the books are delivered. So if you don't have your copy yet, just go to bookofwisdom.com. bookofwisdom.com. There are links there for book 1 or volume 1 and volume 2. For the volume 2, I think Harry made it in such a way that you can only have the paperback. I think a lot of abuse was done with volume 1 with regards to the PDF version. So Harry had to make the volume 2 just paperback. But you can still have volume 1, the paperback, and volume 2. And Harry, I have a request. You have another book, the health book, the Human Health Guide 2.0. We would love to also have the paperback of that book. It is now in PDF, but in future, please consider to give us the PDF version of that book. So we are unboxing knowledge here. That is what he's doing actually. This wisdom has been boxed in over the years, and it was not allowed for the masses to know. But here comes Harry, who is becoming a game changer onto all of us, and we can now get access to this incredible information. So it's a game changer, and it's a blessing to know that this incredible young man is doing something unique for the world. So people, if you don't have your copy yet, why don't you go to bookofwisdom.com and find the links for the PDF versions or the paperback versions of the books, and also enjoy. And I think when it comes to knowledge seeking, nobody is there yet. So even when I speak to Harry, he tells me I'm still researching more even of what I've done. So he is still doing more for us, and I think he will even do more incredible job with the years ahead. So Harry, thumbs up. We love what you're doing. We love you for your works. You always have time for us. You have so many things to manage, so many works to write, so many researches to do. But anytime we reach out to you, you're able to find some time and reach back to us. And I love this about him. He's not stopping any moment from now. He's also coming out with another book called The Book of Symbolism. So we were thinking Harry was going to do Book of Wisdom Volume 3. But he said it's not going to be Volume 3, but it's going to be the Book of Symbolism. Yeah, the Book of Symbolism. And that is going to be a game changer in the world of knowledge seeking. Wow, what an incredible book. It feels so great to have this in my palms right now. So what happens is that Harry is not able to explain everything in the book to us in the videos. So if you want to get deeper understanding of all his teachings, then the best thing to do is to get access to one of these books and explore for yourself. I love it. Honestly, it feels great to have it in your hands after seeing it from far. We've been watching his videos on YouTube. We've been watching his videos on Instagram, on TikTok, and the videos pops up every now and then. And now having the book in my hands is a special treat. So get yourself that treat. Get the book as well. I want to do this positive review for Harry, because what I have in my hands is just incredible. And if you're also going to get yourself these copies, you're going to enjoy it. For me, I had some discounts when I was ordering the books at the time. So I think I paid for, how much was it? I don't remember as of now, but I think somewhere closer to $200 something dollars. Oh, I don't know. I have to get back. But all the way with the wealth of this knowledge, not up to that amount. It's closer to $150 or so. I had some discount for the two books. But with the wealth of knowledge in this book, even if I'm to have $500, even if I'm to get it for $1,000 and I can afford it, why not? We have to also consider the work the young man has put in. So when you go to the website, you can have access to all these books and also have them for yourself, have them for your family, have them for your friends, your colleagues. Perhaps some of them are not on social media. Some of them, they don't have the algorithm pushing those videos to them, but it can be a blessing to them. So I'm planning to also order more copies so I can leave it in the office for my people to also, know the works of Harry B. Joseph. He's an incredible young man, and we must support his works. And I think, Harry, you deserve your flowers. You deserve your flowers. I'm not not $200, not $200. I'll have to go through my email and get the exact amount for which this book was bought, because I had some discount. I think one of them costs $45 and the other one also was closer to $75 or $65. So in all, I think I paid closer to $100 or But as I said, I had some discount at that time. He gave the spring code, that was spring 30. So there was 30% discount at the time for me. So I didn't pay $200, but I think if you go to the website now, then the prices is a bit higher because you may not have a discount at the time. But as I said, considering the works put in, I think this is good. This is a wise investment to work on your mind. He's not too concerned about what is happening in the secret realms or in the secret courts, but it's more concerned what is happening concerning your own self-development, concerning repositioning yourself, concerning having the self-awareness, the self-consciousness for you to know what truly lives in you, or what works for you, or what can really empower you to get ahead and to climb on that ladder of success in life. So it's a great masterpiece. It's a legendary artwork this man has done. And if you're going to also have your copies, you're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. Book of Wisdom, Volume 1 and 2. I have them in my hands now. And the Volume 2 is almost half, more than what we have in Volume 1 is almost double pages of the Volume 1. So if you buy this Volume 2, there are a lot of other things which were not expressed in Volume 1 that you're going to get in Volume 2, because Volume 2 is almost the double of volume we have in Volume 1. So thumbs up, Harry. We still need more from you. You are not done with us yet. And if there is any topics you love him to also discuss in the videos, why not? He's ready to do it, and he can be of help in that sense for us to continue in this awakening journey and self-development journey. So regards to you, Victoria, Zaid, and Gates, and Muted Vega. You've been so helpful to the channel. Harry is thankful because I can see you have the settings icon on your profile. So people, this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have available in our hands. So in life, it is not enough to have the good, but it's good to do something good with the good you have. If you have just the good and the good is just lying in your hands, it's just like a white elephant. It's just like that expensive car just sitting in the garage and dusted over the years.